Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to generate Microsoft System Information Report. Type msinfo32.exe in Windows search bar. Click msinfo32.exe. Click File, Save. Save with any file name. Click Save. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.